Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your microphone volume for captures on your Windows 10 tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the gaming tile. On the left side under gaming, select captures. And then on the right side, just scroll down where it says microphone volume. You can scroll this to the left or right depending on how if you want to make the volume higher or lower. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.